Today I'm going to teach you how to dye frosting using all-natural freeze-dried fruit powder so you can avoid the dyes, avoid artificial colorings, flavorings, and have the delicious flavor of natural fruit infused into your frosting. I'm Jody, I'm from the blog foodstorageMadeEasy.net, and I help busy families prepare for life's emergencies, big and small. And sometimes that emergency is you need to make Easter cookies. So what I've done is I have made a batch of sugar cookies in Easter shapes. So we're going to dye them with freeze-dried fruit powder. So we get the delicious flavors, the beautiful colors. They're not going to be as vibrant as kind of the artificial colors, but they still make a very beautiful pastel-y Easter color cookies. We're going to start with mangoes. This is going to give us a yellow. So I'm going to do about half a cup. So this is a little bit of a guessing game. You're going to want to get enough powder to get the color that you want. So we'll start with about half a cup. And then I'm doing only a small amount of each color because I'm going to have 6 different colors. So we don't need a ton. If you're going to do a whole batch of frosting in one color, you'll need to do more. So you want to get these ground as fine as possible. It's okay if there's little chunks because it's just going to taste yummy, but for kids and for like a smooth looking cookie, you'll want to have it be as fine as possible. So I'm going to use a little bullet mixer here. You can use a blender. You can even smash them in a Ziploc bag with like a rolling pin or something. So we'll just blend this up. That's better. Okay. So I have here about a 1/4 cup of frosting, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon to get started of the mango powder. You can see it's a nice light yellow, pale powder. We're going to stick it in my frosting and stir it up. So you could use like a hand blender, probably be a little easier, but I don't feel like cleaning my blender mixers. I got a nice pale yellow. It's beautiful. It's gonna taste like mango. It's a beautiful yellow. So I'm gonna ice 1 of the eggs in yellow. Okay, 1 cookie down. Okay, so we're gonna repeat the same process with different fruits and veggies to get different flavors. So first I did peach to give a little orange. Now you're watching me do strawberries. This is gonna give a nice light pink. Then we're gonna go to a veggie. Don't worry if you use peas, it does not really taste like peas. You might just not wanna use quite as much and just get a nice light green there. For this darker pink magenta color, I did dragon fruit and raspberry mixed. It gave a nice purpley pink tone. And then finally, I did some blueberries. It doesn't really give you a blue. It gives a nice, beautiful purple lilac color. So here's the powders. Here's the icings. And here's the eggs. Happy Easter! Let me know if you try this. They look super fun and festive, and they're gonna taste delicious, just like the fruits. Hopefully not too much like the peas, and they're gonna look great for any frostings that you need for Easter, again, with no preservatives, no dyes, and no artificial colors, just natural fruits. So, enjoy! And don't forget to follow my blog, foodstorageMadeEasy.net, for more tips on how to use your food storage and be prepared for life's emergencies, big or small. Even Easter cookies can be considered an emergency if you forgot about it till the last minute.